But one thing that we know is that we will have guest briefings. One thing that we know is that you've gotten the gruaig done.
Oh yes, my good friends out of Blackrock.
Yeah,
God bless them.
Do you do it for TV?
No, I do it for me hair.
Do it for your hair.
HRBR. The great people out in Blackrock in Maurice Collins. People ask me why did I do it, and the reason I did it was because I felt I would be more confident or I would be more comfortable in my own skin if I did get it done. I did, and I am.
Yeah.
And I feel better about me, because that's the reason to do it, not for other reasons, you know.
To explain what it is you got done, it's hair replacement. So,
yeah, it's from the back. It's all mine. None was flown in a box. It's all mine from the back, where we always keep it.
So they take bits from the back and put
they take bits from the back.
Right, okay.
And it's a graft from the back, and they put it in, and you wait for it to grow. I swear to God, it's as simple as that. And you can do anything you want. You can present Eurovision Song Contest. You can swim. You can wear special underpants, or in some cases none at all. It doesn't. What it does is it makes me feel better about me, and that to me is why I went to HRBR, because for me that was the reason to do it, and they're quite good at what they do.
They are,
because the difference is actually quite phenomenal.
Yeah, if you check it out.
Doesn't he look great? Come on,
doesn't
he look great?
Beautiful man.
And I've had the warmest winters for the last 4 years. I don't feel it. It's like insulation. I don't feel the cold. But Maurice Collins is a very bright man, and he is the one who
knows what he's at. Right, lovely.
Yeah.
Well.